we are celebrating here today means because of your efforts. We are all here. We are standing before you because of all our dealers' efforts. I congratulate all the dealers for Bharati Cement. They are making proud of us and proud of you as a category brand in entire South India and Maharashtra. I must compliment all of you for doing this, and you have achieved a remarkable job in India, which the other brands could not achieve in 5 years, 10 years time, but you made it possible in a shortest period. First plant, Kadapa plant, 5 million tons. Now you could see the second picture, Gulbarga plant, where 2.75 million. With this, Vika Group's capacity has gone up to 7.75 million tons. I think there is no shortage for Bharati Cement for all of you. If anybody would like to take challenge to grow 50%, 60%, 70%, even 100%, you are most welcome. We are there to give you sufficient cement. To give you best service, today we have 223 marketing, technical, logistic team before you. This is the best team you have to give the service in all the states, including the corporate. From 2009, when we started a small beginning of 1.3 lakh tons in 2009, and 2010 we have grown to 1.37 million tons, and 2011 2.06 million tons, and 2012 2.53 million tons, 23% growth as against the industry average growth of 6 to 7%. This is the achievement of yours, and we have a big challenge in 2013. I hope all of you will take this challenge and demonstrate a 4.5 million ton target for Bharati Cement to be sold in entire South India and Maharashtra. You have 4 varieties of cements: OPC 43, 53, PPC, PSC. Whatever customer needs, that we are in a position to deliver. That is the most important, and very few opportunities will have dealers to get 4 varieties of cement from one company. We have direct railway siding inside the plant, where we are able to cater 50% by rail to all the long distance markets and 39% by road to the nearby markets. And we are also supplying in bulk around 11%, and also exports to Andaman and Sri Lanka. 13 warehouses across all the states to give you service and deliver the product within 24 hours as committed by the company. We will ensure that every depot has a cement. There will not be zero stock depots, and we are making all efforts to see that material is available to you in all the warehouses so that you can supply to the customer within 24 hours. So as I said, we have a large network, 2,150 dealers as of now we have. If you see AP, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, I would like to tell you, first of all, I want to compliment and congratulate the consignment sales of Kerala. They have introduced the product in Kerala, only 9 people. They made it possible to reach more than 20,000 tons sale in Kerala with 9 people. I think let us give a big hands to the Kerala team. Now this responsibility is going to share by many dealers in Kerala. We have invited, with our invitation, with a short notice, we could receive 96 dealers from Kerala. I hope by end of this year, we will be around 250 to 300 dealers in Kerala, so that you will also fight along with AP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra.